Ladies and gentlemen, we have some breaking news out of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania in Idaho versus Kohberger. We had reported to you several weeks back in an earlier episode of the Indie Zone podcast that there were some documents observed on the case summary page that the state of Idaho was seeking to have a total of 4 out-of-state subpoenas domesticated for individuals who were thought to be necessary and material witnesses to the state of Idaho's case against Mr. Kohberger. There have been 2 new files opened up in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and specifically in Monroe County, for 2 witnesses on behalf of the state of Idaho. One relates to an individual by the name of Lynn, first name, and the second is for an individual named Alison. The state now has filed a petition for summons directing both witnesses to attend and testify in the proceeding, and the paperwork looks very much like what we have seen the defense file in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, seeking other witnesses to appear at trial on their behalf. The packet includes some documentation that was prepared by Michael Mancuso, who is the Monroe County District Attorney. It appears that District Attorney Mancuso has been working with the authorities in Idaho to secure these 2 witnesses to appear at trial. There is a subpoena that is directed toward both of the witnesses. We also see the ex parte certificate of endorsement pursuant to Idaho Code Section 193005 that is signed by Judge Stephen J. Hippler. We have seen similar type of certifications in the packets for the defense witnesses. Similar to the language signed by Judge Hippler in the defense certification, it explains to the Pennsylvania court that Judge Hippler is presiding over the matter pending with case number CR 2431665. And that is, of course, Mr. Kohberger's case, that Mr. Kohberger has been charged with the 5 counts that he has been charged with by indictment, and that Judge Hippler is the judge assigned to preside over the case, and that Lynn and also Alison, who are in the state of Pennsylvania, are necessary material witnesses for the state of Idaho for the reasons set forth in the motion for issuance of the certificate of endorsement, an affidavit signed by William W. Thompson, Jr., and that the presence of both is required at the Ada County Courthouse in Boise, Idaho. We see then there was a form that was submitted in order scheduling the hearing, and we note that within the packet, a hearing has been in fact set for both Lynn and Alison to appear at the Monroe County Courthouse and to give cause as to why they should not be, one or both, court-ordered to appear at trial in Idaho on the state of Idaho's behalf. Now, there is one other hearing that's pending on July 7th, 2025, and that's for one of the defense witnesses who was not able to make the June 30th hearing, to give cause as to whether or not she should be also ordered to attend the trial, but on Mr. Kohberger's behalf. So now there's a total of 3 more witnesses who are scheduled to appear before the court on the 7th of July. We are waiting for the court orders regarding the witnesses who appeared in court today, June 30th, 2025, for the hearing to show cause why they should not be court-ordered to attend trial as Mr. Kohberger's witness. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us today.